You want to make money online, everyone does, but you're tired of the noise, the empty promises. Forget dropshipping, forget crypto, forget the get-rich-quick schemes. Let's get real. Let's talk about website flipping. Website flipping is like house flipping, but instead of bricks and mortar, we're dealing with domains, content, and traffic. You buy undervalued websites, improve them, and sell them for a profit. Simple, right? It's a business model built on hustle, strategy, and a keen eye for opportunity. The beauty? You don't need to be a tech whiz or a coding guru, you just need the right knowledge and the guts to dive in. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's about building a sustainable online business one website at a time. Are you ready to build your empire? First things first, finding the right website to flip. It's like scouting for a diamond in the rough. You're looking for potential, not perfection. Head to website marketplaces like Flippa and Empire Flippers. These are your digital gold mines. What to look for? Start with a niche you understand. Passion projects are easier to flip. Then, analyze the website's traffic. Is it consistent, organic? Next, check the domain name. Is it catchy, memorable, brandable? Don't forget to scrutinize the backlink profile. High-quality backlinks equal higher search engine rankings. Finally, assess the website's monetization strategy. Is it making money? How? Can you improve it? Remember, due diligence is key. Take your time, research thoroughly, and don't be afraid to walk away from a bad deal. You've found your diamond in the rough. Now it's time to polish it. This is where your vision and effort come in. Start by improving the website's design. Make it clean, modern, and user-friendly. Think mobile first. Everyone's on their phones. Next, focus on content. Content is king. Create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. Use keywords strategically. SEO is your friend. Optimize the website's speed and performance. A slow website equals lost visitors. No one waits around for a website to load. Ensure the website is mobile responsive. Test it on different devices. Finally, monetize strategically. Explore different revenue streams like affiliate marketing, display advertising, and digital products. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your niche. Section 4. Marketing Mastery, attracting the right eyes. You've built a killer website. Now you need to get eyeballs on it. It's time to unleash your marketing genius. First up, social media. Create engaging content that drives traffic to your website. Experiment with different platforms. Find where your audience hangs out. Next, leverage the power of email marketing. Build an email list and start nurturing your subscribers. Offer valuable content and exclusive deals. Turn subscribers into loyal customers. Don't underestimate the power of guest blogging. Reach out to relevant websites in your niche and offer to write high-quality guest posts. This will boost your website's authority and drive targeted traffic. Finally, explore paid advertising options like Google Ads and social media ads. Targeted ads can be incredibly effective in driving traffic and generating leads. Section 5. Cashing in, sealing the deal. Your website is a well-oiled machine, generating traffic and revenue. It's time to cash in on your hard work. Head back to the website marketplaces you used before. List your website with a detailed description, highlighting its strengths and earnings. Set a realistic asking price based on market value and your desired profit margin. Be prepared to negotiate. Buyers love a good deal. Provide potential buyers with all the necessary information, including traffic data, financial records, and any other relevant details. Be transparent and honest in your dealings. Build trust with potential buyers. A smooth transaction leads to positive reviews and future opportunities. Once you've found a buyer and agreed on a price, use a reputable escrow service to ensure a safe and secure transaction. Congratulations, you've officially flipped a website. Section 6. Your website empire awaits. Website flipping is more than just buying and selling websites. It's about understanding the online landscape, identifying opportunities, and building valuable digital assets. It's about hustle, creativity, and a relentless pursuit of growth. Remember, success in website flipping, like any other business, requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Embrace them as learning opportunities. The world of online business is constantly evolving. Stay ahead of the curve by learning new skills, experimenting with different strategies, and networking with other entrepreneurs. Your website empire awaits. Go build it.